So it's snowing a lot here, and I mean a lot, like, and we're gonna try and build like a little winter shelter out here in the snow. We've had a snowstorm down here. It's probably knee deep. I took a walk down here. So I found this old umbrella, and there's cloth on it. Let's see if I can use that. Like I said, there's probably over a foot of snow down here. I'm 6 foot tall, and some of this stuff is coming up over my knees. But I'm looking forward to this. This is gonna be the most challenging thing I've done yet. I mean, I can't see all the sticks that are dead already on the ground, but this shit is all dead, and I can just pull it down. I'm thinking we build something back in here. Hopefully there's not a raccoon chilling back here. We're gonna go from there. So I'll find a place to prop you guys up, and then we'll get started. So, got a new jacket. This puppy's super warm. Nobody can see me. I know you guys probably can't see it, but it's really nice. So I'm under this little canopy thing right now. It's just sticks intertwined with sticks and sticks and sticks. And I'm gonna run over and grab that umbrella cloth and see if I can put it on top just for like a little shelter. I'm gonna try and clear a lot of these sticks out of here and work with what we got. Like I said, the snow is just calming down, and it's not gonna stop either. I mean, we've gotten like over a foot of snow now in the past 24 hours, so it's not letting up. It's gonna keep going. It's really nice, so it's fun. It gives me something new to try. We are gonna start a fire food thing. I don't know about that yet. For my backpack anytime it gets, but well, I was just moving the snow around. You guys might think this shit is scripted, but it's not. I just found, oh, a glove full of snow. Just kidding, that's not it. But I did find that. Another deer's skull. And still got skin on it. Yeah, that's pretty gross. Seems to be a common occurrence with us here. I'm not gonna waste my time with this shit though, but it's a prop. So I'm gonna run over, grab that perfect. Make sure I have my knife. Grab that umbrella thing and I'll be right back. Don't want to lose this. Still. Bad position too. And we just lost my pocket knife. Now it doesn't suck as much. It is, it looks like ass, but for the time being, it works like a charm. Got this hanging up here. Yeah, it looks like shit, but it's working. I know y'all are probably lost, and I'm sorry for not recording that much, but nothing was going my way, and I mean nothing. What I've come down to is a little canopy. This is at a slant. I'm gonna have to prop that up more. Then it comes to a flat up here. I just punch the snow off. I gotta dig this out. See if I can pile up snow like this high right here. Make it a little bit warmer. And then we're gonna go from there. Get out of there. Also, I realized that this isn't just a deer's skull that I found. It's an entire graveyard we're on top of right now. I found backbones, the vertebrae. Found like 6 of those, 2 ribs, blah, blah, yada, yada, everything else that goes inside of a deer. So I'm just gonna kind of keep her piled up a little bit. I don't want to be laying on the deer. A tarp, an axe sharpener. I'll have to look at my list. I got a list of shit. Oh, the silicon power right here. Getting a little wall up, slowly but surely. Gonna get a fire started out here soon. I'm enjoying this. Oh, this is nice. Snow is still coming in from the side. Gonna have to fix that here eventually. Start piling a bunch of sticks up. Gonna start a fire right over there. Getting the back wall up and everything. This is all packed in. It's kind of cozy in here. I mean, I'm not really complaining. I'm using that old griddle. I can probably put something on top of there to cook it, not just raw dog it, but like a can or something. I'm enjoying this a lot. This is a lot of fun to me. Snow is coming from a different direction. It's coming from the front now, so I'm gonna figure that as well. Fortunately, everything's wet as hell, no matter where I go. But we can set it on top of here. So we got a fire started and dry everything out. I've been at this maybe 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half, I don't know. Definitely gonna need a big chunk of this. Like I said, these are only $2.99 at Fleet Farm. Can't go wrong. Oh no. We got wood on top drying right now. Stuff on bottom is starting up. I forgot, I bought some stuff, so, and I didn't bring it. But I'm not far, so I think I'm gonna hustle to my car and grab it real quick. So we got this. Just gonna go up here, put some water in it, and we got some Alfredo. So let's get this fire cooking. Let's get some water in this hoe. Got the gloves drying. The water's just about boiling. Oh, it is boiling. More wood's drying. Shelter is holding up pretty damn nice. So I mean, I guess there's a little bit of snow right there. We can kick that off. I'm having a pretty good time. Yeah, water's boiling. We can start cooking. Alfredo time. Big flame time. Nummy nummy. Fire's going good. More big logs drying. Seems like it's going pretty well. Burns my eyes. Gloves drying. Fire's dying. I'm dying. God, smoke is brutal. It's nice though, the heat gets pushed into here, so that's a plus. I'm gonna dig in and eat for a bit here. Our fire's still going. The wind is picking up a lot. I mean, I'm boiling more water just to get all that extra shit out of there. My hands are cold. Other than that, I'm doing pretty well. Once this water's boiled and everything, I think we're gonna head out. it's been snowing, it's gonna keep snowing. I'm freezing, my phone's getting close to dying. I know it's excuse after excuse, but I mean, like, before it's nice and warm though. The only thing that's cold is my hands. It's all packed up. No wind's hitting me, except for when I'm out here trying to warm up my hands. Like I said, I'm gonna head out here pretty soon. It's been pretty fun though. The smoke has hit my eyes at least 100 times, so if they're red, that's why. I'm high on them nature fumes. But you can see I'm soaked. Man, is my camera blurry? I'm soaked everywhere. Everything is soaked. Hands are soaked. My arms are soaked. The inside of me is warm. My legs are soaked. Still warm though. Yucky. Yeah. It's not bad in here. It's not snowing in here. Out here though, it's been snowing. Gonna get this fire stomped out here. Everything behind, I'll grab that in a second. I'll make sure this is all out. Maybe I'll consider sleeping out here. It's gonna be hell though. Get this. We're gonna get the hell out of here. See you guys in a bit. It's all out. I'm soaked. Everything is just so caked and thick. Oh, look at this. We're getting out of here. Got my car cleaned off. I mean, this stuff is thick. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, hopefully we can stay out here one of these nights. It's just crazy right now. The snow is not gonna let up. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. You're coming back anyway, so you might as well subscribe. See ya.